Hello everyone, I'm Claire from Crafty Claire Tutorials, and if you are new to my channel, it's lovely to have you here. I do jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I do other craft projects, and I do share days out, things like that. So it's a bit of a vloggy channel as well. But if you are new, it's lovely to have you here. So to you and to all my amazing current subscribers, I do hope you're doing well. Let me know how you are in the comments below, because I do like to know how you're doing. Hi my beautiful people, how are you? I really do hope you're well. It's been a while since I've done a video. Where have I been? Behind the scenes, it's been really busy. I thought I'd just do an update where I've been, what I've been up to. I am going to do a ring tutorial. Life in general has just been really busy, lots of things to sort out. In my last video, I said that Richard had gone back home, 2 businesses on the go. Someone sadly had a miscarriage in the family, and she's like a daughter to me. I couldn't be with her because I was like just stuck here. I had my orders to send out, and although I could delay it on my website, on Etsy I couldn't. I had to get orders out that day. You get penalised, blah blah blah. Anyway, and then behind the scenes I've told you that I've become a Shopify affiliate. So I was recording videos, but before I got to the actual nitty-gritty of showing you what you actually do, I just wanted people to think about like business names. And for an example, like myself, when I started out, I was Low Cost Craft Supplies. Obviously I've been going since 2010, but then since then I sell more jewellery supplies than I do craft supplies. I do handmade jewellery, which I didn't do before, and I'm now, what I'm going to talk about as well, is I've actually got some ready-made jewellery that I have bought in. So that's something else behind the scenes I've been trying to sort out. The plans that I did have, like for when Richard was away, it didn't materialise. For those of you that are new, I'm trying to get my watch hours up to get monetized. Thank you so much for those that are helping me with that. As of today, the 1st of April, but YouTube is 5 days behind. I am now at 3,706 watch hours. So that's 294 hours to go. And what I asked if people could do was to click on one of my playlists, preferably one with a lot of videos, press play, mute me, and then go about your day. I suppose it would cost you a little bit of electric. I said to you that I've got some ready-made jewellery going onto the website. Again, my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, will be linked below for you. I'll take this for example. So for $6.99, you can buy one of these lovely pairs of earrings, or there's even this lovely hummingbird necklace. Now the earrings, obviously it's costume jewellery, but for $6.99 a customer can buy a pair of earrings, all pretty wrapped up, along with a gift message, and postage is covered by me. So we'll see how that goes. And obviously will be helping my small animal rescue. Did I say that about my watch hours before? That's the reason. The reason I want to be monetized is any extra pennies. I've got a small animal rescue, and that is what it's going for. I do put snippets in as I go along, like if you've been following about my fish. He's fine. He's now in my living room. He's now in my big fish tank in the living room. He cannot live with anyone else. He's a bully. He is a bully and will kill any other fish unless they are considerably larger than him. I'm saying him, I don't know. I don't like saying it, so we must get a name. There's a beautiful fish. It had something called swim bladder disease. It was upside down, had caught an infection, so it had lost scales, it was infected, so it had to have all this medication. So I had to buy swim bladder treatment, Melafix. My little fishes have had to go into a hexagon tank, which is actually next to me now. I've had to turn the filter off because you wouldn't hear me. I've just got it filled halfway at the moment because it's a tank that I had in the garage for, it's probably been in there for 6 to 8 years. What I've been up to. So if you want to help me with my watch hours, if you could click on the playlist and go about your day. If you want to leave a like or a comment, absolutely fine, but I'm not expecting you to do that. I made some double Cabochon gemstone rings, and they have been very popular. I wanted to do a couple more rings, and that's what I'm going to do with you. So let me show you what I've got. So these are the rings that I use, and they are stainless steel, so they are anti-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and these would be a step up from your silver and gold plated, which of course is quite delicate. So plated jewelry is very delicate. It's got a very thin layer of gold. It's so easy for it to tarnish. So each of these are called Cabochon settings. They're really well made, very strong. They're not flimsy at all, and they are adjustable. So you will gently pour them out. Obviously I'm not going to do that now. And the gemstones that I've got that are different are these. Now I've got some glue. I've got a ruler, so just so I know I have to work in this area, because I'm forever doing things off camera. These are just some cotton pads to put the rings on afterwards, and if I make spillage with the glue, I've just got some cotton wool buds. I think some of you call them Q-tips. A little bit of tissue. So the first one is Blue Lace Agate. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check that they do fit in before I glue. Yep, they do. Right, so we've got Blue Lace Agate, and we have Carnelian. Now I love these. I just love the colours of oranges and reds. Very warm. I'm just going to check to make sure they fit in absolutely fine. Yeah. So there's Carnelian. And as I go along, I'll tell you a little bit about them. Malachite. Okay, we'll just try these. That's fine. Just give you some meanings behind them if you're interested in this. If you are interested in healing properties, the healing properties would be soothing, communication, clarity, confidence, truth, trust, inner peace, relaxation, calming and patience, meditation. The planet is Mercury. The zodiacs would be Gemini and Pisces, and the elements are water. They have some blue and white stripes. So that's going to be the first one that I'm going to do. So I'm just going to put some glue. Just get some glue. Just do this just in case there's any glue on the outside. So there's our Blue Lace Agate ring. Did I say these are 6mm? Carnelian. Properties, we have strength, courage, confidence, motivation, sexuality, action, manifestation, passion, grounding and power. The planets are the Sun and Mars. The zodiacs are Virgo, Taurus, Leo and Cancer. Elements of fire, obviously the colours are orange and red. So let's do Carnelian. I do apologise for the dog barking. My neighbours are having windows fitted and the dog's gonna go outside. He's a good guard dog. case anyone wanted to come and pinch me. Right. Oh, they're beautiful. This one's orange, this one's red. Oh, see some glow. We don't want no clue. This is red, this is orange, and this is Carnelian. Then we have Malachite. Healing properties, we have emotional healing, balance, travel, creativity, intuition, transformation, protection, confidence, cleansing and clearing, self-healing, trauma and leadership. The planets Venus, zodiacs Capricorn and Scorpio, element is fire. Oh gosh, let's take some of that's coming out. So put just pop the lid on. So if you would like to make any of these, everything's available over on my website, which I'll link below for you. Or if you want to purchase a ring to help the animals within my care, please feel free. I do send to UK, USA, Canada, Northern Ireland. Malachite is very good for absorbing negative energy, so it's very important to constantly cleanse and clear pieces, especially if you're someone who wears or carries them every day. So there are the rings. So I do hope you like that tutorial. If you can like the video and leave a comment, it would be most appreciated. Just helps the YouTube share my videos out to more people. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I have got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy crafting.